In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Audible books with a friend. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar at the top, type in Audible and hit Enter. This will take you to Audible's website where you can find and share your favorite audiobooks. Once you're on the Audible website, you may be prompted to log in. If you see a sign-in page, enter your email and password to access your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and continue. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the audiobook you want to share. Use the search bar to type in the title or browse through your library. When you find the audiobook, click on it to open its details page. This is where you can see more information about the book, like the author and narrator. On the audiobooks page, look for the chain icon. This icon is usually located near the top of the page, close to the book's title or next to the play button. Clicking this icon will open a new option to share the audiobook. After clicking the chain icon, you'll see a link appear on your screen. This is the unique link to share the audiobook with your friend. Highlight the entire link by clicking and dragging over it with your mouse. Once it is highlighted, right-click and select Copy. This will save the link to your clipboard, ready to be shared. Now, decide how you want to send the link to your friend. You can paste the link in an email, a text message, or any messaging app you use. Just open your preferred communication app, start a new message, and right-click to select Paste. Then send the message to your friend, and that's it. You've successfully shared an Audible book with a friend. By following these steps, you can easily spread the joy of audiobooks. It's a great way to recommend books and connect with others over shared stories. Remember, sharing audiobooks is a wonderful way to introduce friends to new authors and genres. It can spark interesting conversations and enhance your listening experience together. Enjoy sharing your favorite books and happy listening.